and it talks about weather, that is the day-to-day condition of Earth's atmosphere, the climate, that refers to the average condition over long periods, the microclimates, that are environmental conditions that can vary over small distances, the greenhouse effect, that is a process in which certain gases as carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor trap sunlight energy in Earth's atmosphere as heat. About the subject, niche and community interactions, that talks about the tolerance, that is the ability to survive and reproduce under a range of environmental circumstances. Then talks about a habitat, that is the general place where an organism lives. Then it talks about niche, that is the range of physical and biological conditions in which a species lives and the way the species obtains what it needs to survive and reproduce. Then it talks about the term resource, that can refer to any necessity of life, such as water, nutrients, light, food, or space. Then the competitive exclusion principle, that states that no two species can occupy the exactly same niche in exactly the same habitat at the exactly same time. It talks about predation, that is an interaction in which one animal captures and feeds on another animal. Then it talks about herbivory, that is an interaction in which one animal feeds on producers. Is the change in the population of single species. Symbiosis is any relationship in which two species live closely together. There's three main classes of symbiotic relationships, that are mutualism, that both species benefit from the relationship; parasitism, that one organism lives on or inside another organism and harms it; commensalism, that is, that one organism benefits and the other is neither helped or harmed. Subject biomes. As the topic, canopy, that is a dense covering formed by the leafy tops of rainforest trees. Understory is a layer in the rainforest found underneath the canopy formed by shorter leaves and vines. And it talks about deciduous, that is a plant that sheds its leaves during a particular season. Coniferous trees, or conifers, produce seed-bearing cones and have thin leaves shaped as needles. Humus is a material formed from decaying leaves and other organic matter. The taiga is a dense forest of coniferous evergreens along the northern edge of the temperate zone. It is a layer of permanently frozen subsoil forest that has hot and wet year-round, thin, nutrient-poor soils, subject to erosion, and is on Belém, Brazil. About the tropical dry forest that is warm year-round, altering wet and dry seasons, rich soil subject to erosion, and is on Chennai, India. About the tropical grasslands, savanna, shrubland, that is warm, seasonal rainfall, compact soils, frequent fires set by lighting, and is in Mombasa, Kenya. About the desert, that has low precipitation, variable temperatures, soil rich in minerals but poor in organic material, and is in Yuma, Arizona. The temperate grassland, that has warm to hot summers, cold winters, moderate seasonal precipitation, fertile soils, and occasional fires. Texas. Then about the temperate grasslands and shrubland. It has hot, dry summers, cool, moist winters, thin, nutrient-poor soils, and periodic fires, and it is on Los Angeles, California. About the temperate forest that has cold to moderate winters, warm summers, year-round precipitation, and fertile soils, and it is on Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Then about the northwestern coniferous forest that has mild temperatures, abundant precipitation in fall, winter, and spring, and has cool, dry summers, rocky acid soils, and it is on Seattle, Washington. Forest that has long, cold winters, short, mild summers, moderate precipitation, high humidity, acid, nutrient-poor soils, and it is on Fairbanks, Alaska. Then, finally, it talks about tundra that has strong winds, low precipitation, short and soggy summers, long, cold, dark winters, poorly developed soils, and permafrost. And it is on Barrow, Alaska. It talks about the subject aquatic ecosystems. It talks about the photic zone, the benthos, the plankton, the wetland statuary, the intertidal zone, coastal ocean, and open ocean.